Blane Charles Media presents Life Living It Fiercely Empowered. Yes. And a happy Thursday to everyone. And a very, very happy Thursday, productive Thursday for myself. And victories, yes. One major victory, 2022 was all about improving my credit, getting my credit score high. And it was very low. And I got it so high that I applied for a small business loan and I got it. Yay! Yeah. So I wanted to share that with everyone. And also please comment on my YouTube and share with me your victories. Also share with me your challenges so that we can together be triumphant in 2023. That's the word for 2023. Triumph. Yes. Back to Tina Turner again, folks. Yes, I'm telling you. There's so many layers of wisdom in this book. It's incredible. Okay, so this is, I'm sharing with you this segment from chapter 8, Homecoming, because I know a lot of us, like myself, didn't realize all the dreams and goals that we had set for ourselves for 2022. So just want to share something with you, something to marinate over, okay? Okay, so I'm going to start with, I spent a long time enduring difficulties until I could transform them into realized dreams. Longer than I would have liked or imagined. But I'm glad that I never gave up and kept reaching for what I wanted, both for myself and for what I could do for others. It made the victories even more meaningful. Looking back on my life, I see that it took longer for me to grow in some ways because I was handicapped by a tumultuous childhood. I was definitely what you would call a late bloomer. So, likewise, can totally relate. After my stroke, as I read up on brain function and development, I learned that when a person is raised in an environment of chronic instability and dysfunction, the synapses in the brain don't form optimally. Perhaps that is one of the disadvantages I had from the start and one of the reasons for my late maturity. Whatever might have been the cause of the disadvantage in life, the only thing that really matters is what we do about it and how we live from that moment forward. I'm going to read that one more time. Whatever might have been the cause of a disadvantage in life, the only thing that really matters is what we do about it and how we live from that moment forward. Whatever stage of life you're in right now, always move forward, rolling like a mighty river ever forward. Rolling down the river. Boom, 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 boom. You know that one. Now that my river has passed the age of 80, within my heart I feel more youthful than ever. My spiritual practice galvanizes me to live each day with awareness of the present moment and reminds me to keep my eye on the future. With all my health challenges, every day feels like an extra blessing and more sweet icing on the cake of my life. Isn't that powerful? Tina, girl, you go, honey. She said, do you realize why she waited until she was 80 to write this book? I mean, this book is the fiercest book I've ever read. Seriously, I've never read a book more than 3 times. I'm reading this book, probably 11 times. I can't even keep track how many times I read this book. Anyway, on that note, please ponder over those wise words of Tina and do not be so hard on yourself. Pat yourself on the back. We've made it through 2022, girl. Guys, girls, all of us. And we are in 2023, and the only reality is that we have a whole year to fulfill more dreams and goals and triumph in 2023. How about that? Okay, so that's going to be our theme for this year. Triumph in 2023. All right, so much love and light. And I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, tell all your friends about my YouTube channel, BLANE, Blane Charles on YouTube, Life Living It Fiercely Empowered, because we want to really expand our network of wonderful people in this happy fest, constructing and living the life of their dreams. Until tomorrow, remember, life, living it fiercely, empowered. Have a great day, everyone.